Hello my loves, welcome to day 4 of the mini Pilates series. Today I'm gonna guide you through a ab and core workout. We're gonna work obliques, deep core, all of it, so let's hop right into it. Alright, so we're gonna come into a seated position. Your feet are about hip height apart. We're gonna reach those arms long, drop those shoulders low. We're gonna tuck that belly button and we're gonna slowly roll it all the way down. Reach those arms back. Arms come back up, head, neck, and shoulders, and back into an upright position. Squeeze that back. Same thing, drop the arms, roll vertebra by vertebra, all the way down. Reach those arms back. Arms come up, head, neck, and shoulders, back into that seated position. We're just warming up that core here. Roll it all the way down. Braid it through. And one more. Tuck that belly. Roll all the way back. Reach. Beautiful. On the next one, we're going to hold it halfway through. We're going to open up that left arm. Open up the right. So as you can see, there's a slight bend into those arms. Almost feel like a little ballerina here. Open up that chest. Feeling those obliques working. Two on each side. 4, 2, and 1. Hold it here, tiny little pulses up and down. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your arms behind your back, open up that chest, and bring both legs into a tabletop position. We're gonna extend that left leg out, bring it in, alternate over to the right. So that chest stays open, getting into those lower abdominals here. Breathe it through. So every time we're extending that leg, I want you to squeeze it all the way through and then bring it in. With control. Four, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring it in. I want you to roll it up. We're getting into a boat position, so we're bringing those legs a couple inches off to the ground. We're gonna reach it out, bring it in. Reach it out, bring it in. Four, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Okay, we're gonna drop it down to the floor. Feet are about hip height apart. We're gonna place those arms behind your head. Take a deep inhale. That right armpit comes to that left knee. We're gonna reach it long. Bring it in, reach it long. So that upper body crunches and twists. Bring that right shoulder blade off to the ground. Woohoo! We are starting to feel that burn here. All right, we're gonna get a bended knee one, and then we're gonna get a leg extension to it. So you're just gonna add it here. First a crossway bend, and then length. Keep moving. 4, 2, and 1. We're gonna bend that knee, hold it here, little pulse. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reach that left leg all the way back. Beautiful. We're gonna reach that left arm up, take a deep inhale. On the exhale, I want you to come back up into that seated position, and we're slowly lowering down. So we already started today's workout with this, but right now we have a single leg sit up. Really activating that deep core. Four, 2, and 1. Slowly lower down. Bring the left leg in. We're gonna alternate it over to the other side. So take a little breather, inhale. And on the exhale, we're gonna twist that left armpit to that right knee, tap it down. So just first starting onto that right side with that bended knee. Okay, on the next one, we're gonna add a leg extension to it. Reach that right leg long, reach that left arm. Bend and extend. Four, 2, and 1. On the next bend, we're gonna extend that left arm long, that left shoulder blade is off the ground, little pulses across. 4, 10, 9, I know these are absolute killer. 4, 8, 7, push through, mind over matter here. You will thank me later. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend that right leg all the way long. We're gonna extend that right arm up to the ceiling. Take a deep inhale on the exhale. Head, neck, or shoulders come up into that seated position. Slowly roll it down, bone by bone. Feeling that full extension here. Reach it back. Four, 2, and 1. Slowly lower down. We're gonna bring both legs into a tabletop position, into that reverse crunch. Lift that booty off to the ground and then reach those legs long. You can place your hand right underneath your booties to give your lower back a little bit of extra support here. Working those lower abdominals. Reach it out. Four, 2, and 1. We're gonna hold it here, scissor out. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Both legs come back into a tabletop. We're gonna reach those arms all the way overhead. Take a deep inhale. On the exhale, reach it forward. And I want you to reach those arms underneath those legs. So your head, neck, or shoulders come off to the mat. Working those upper abdominals here. For 3, 2, and 1. Roll it up. Whew, all right. Okay. I know, we're starting to feel the abs. I am, wow, on fire. Okay, leave it onto your hands and knees. Take a deep inhale through the nose. On the exhale, I want you to reach that left leg long, reach that right leg long, and then meet me into a plank position. I want you to bring that right knee in, bring that left knee in, into a Spider-Man, into a Spider-Man. So slow mountain climber, into that Spider-Man. Breathe it through. We have 2 more rounds here. And bring it into a plank. Push it to a downward dog. Plank position. Downward dog, plank. For 2, and 1. Slowly lower down. Okay, we're coming onto a side plank, getting some more into those obliques. I'm gonna reach both legs long. And then maybe into your side plank, reaching that left arm all the way up. You're gonna slowly tread it underneath, reach it up. Tread it underneath, and reach. 30 seconds left. All right, we're gonna pulse it out in 2 and 1 and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alternate over to the other side. Reach that right arm all the way up. Take a deep inhale on the exhale, tread it underneath, and reach. For 2, and 1, pulse it out, for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll it over back to a plank position. Final one here, coming into our hip dips from side to side. Breathe it through. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop down those knees and reach those arms nice and long. Feel a nice deep stretch throughout that whole upper body. Inhale and exhale through the mouth. We're gonna reach those arms over to the left. Feel that nice deep stretch. And walk those arms over to the right. And then slowly roll it up. Shake out that upper body. Whew, amazing job. Absolutely burning. You are already more than halfway through the 7-day mini series, so you can already be so proud of yourself. I hope to see you tomorrow. And if you want to follow along more of my classes and workout programs, I'm going to link my app Soul and Body down below. We have an amazing big community with so many like-minded people. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. Where we can really work out together and eat all my healthy recipes, and you have everything in one place. I'll see you tomorrow.